Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a ultimate clean with me video. So I'm going to be cleaning a couple of areas in my apartment over the course of the video. I'm going to try and not speak so much, but I will be doing a little bit of voiceover. So I hope that you enjoy today's video. If you just sit back, relax and watch me clean. Ava has been so into Play-Doh these past couple of weeks. It's all over the kitchen table, all over the floor. So this area needs a good clean and a good hoover as well, just to pick up all that Play-Doh. So you can see here I'm just doing the skirting boards, so I've just sprayed on some mold and mildew spray just because it was the closest thing to me, and I am just using the microfiber cloth just to take that product away. So, and then I'm going to hoover it again just to make sure that it's all up and nice and clean. Can't really see it from this angle, but there was so much Play-Doh on the ground. I just, like, it was mad. I actually, after I did this, I had to like get on my hands and knees and pick it off the ground. It was so smushed in.
Every time I'm going out, the same things keep happening. New boy, same tricks. Coming close to me now, trying to be smooth, so here we go again. Here we go again. You're trying to buy me drinks, and I don't like your cheap tricks. Take it somewhere else, would ya? Would ya? I don't know what you think, but I'm not one of those chicks. Take it somewhere else, would ya? Would ya?
You got nothing on me, on me. You got nothing on me, on me. You got nothing on me, on me.
About once a week I need to move these couches just to hoover underneath it. With Ava, so much stuff ends up underneath it, crumbs, pieces of toys, and I also need to hoover inside the couches as well, because we do let her eat her snacks kind of wherever she wants to. There just does be a whole load of food in there.
Trying to impress me, but I don't care about your Rolex or your credit card. Rolex or your credit card. Still you won't quit, trying to be cool, so here we go again. Here we go again, again, again.
You got nothing on me, on me. You got nothing on me, on me. You got nothing on me, on me.
So now we move into the bedroom here. I'm going to just change the bed sheets and also fold the clothes that are on the ground. So yeah, it's not one of my favorite tasks, but I'm getting quicker. Also, if you have a duvet cover and you're washing it, make sure that you do up the buttons, because it just saves if from getting tangled in the wash machine, or like the pillowcases or sheets getting lost inside it. So make sure you do up your duvet cover.
Would ya? I don't know what you think, but I'm not one of those chicks. Take it somewhere else. Would ya? Would ya?
So it was actually later in the day when I came back and folded these, the clothes that were on the ground there, because we had done something in the meantime. So yeah.
You spin around, you laugh to yourself, and I see you shine in every color, resting your head in my arms. You sing la la la.
So now we're moving on to our hallway. Because we've done lots of decluttering over the past couple of months, I've just piled everything out here. Lots of this is stuff that we want to store, so it's stuff that we're keeping, and then the other half of it is stuff that needs to be donated. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to just sort it into the two piles, and then we're going to take it out and put it where it's supposed to be.
Your hand reaches mine, feels like I can do anything. Just give me a mountain to climb. You sing la 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 la. My God, I think I might be in love. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. You'll never feel alone as long as you're with me.
I literally didn't have a clue where to start or what to do with it. But then it just clicked to me once I got that other bag. I was like, just put it into two piles, Karen.
You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much.
So the bits that are left there is what's actually we were going to put in storage in Robert's parents' house. So I'm just doing a little bit of hoovering, and I do also clean the skirting boards, and that is really it. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I really hope that you've enjoyed today's video. If you did, I would love if you give it a thumbs up, and subscribe if you are new. I put out videos 3 days a week, cleaning, declutter, cooking, meal hauls or meal plans, grocery hauls, that sort of stuff. So I would love if you check out the rest of the videos on my channel. I also have a blog, ouririshfamily.com, for you to check out. There will be a post going up tomorrow, but I do put up posts at least once per week, or I try to anyways. So yeah, that's it, guys. I really hope that you've enjoyed it, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.